What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress teams, and today's video gonna learn how to animate this picture that goes with your emails, okay? How to animate it on Gmail to make your email more attractive and to make people pay more attention to our email, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Gmail and into the upper right corner of your screen, click on your picture and go to manage your Google account. Once right here, click on the picture icon over your name and hover your mouse over your photo, click with the right button of your mouse and save image as. Let's save the image. Now go to Canva, okay? It's important for you to go to Canva. Once on Canva, click on Create, Upload files, select the picture that you just have downloaded, use in a new design, custom size, create new design. This is gonna create the design for us. Then click on the picture and click on Animate next to Position to the upper right corner of your screen. Then you can choose what effect would you like, okay? There is a lot of effects that you can play with. I like the photo zoom effect. It's a blink and some zoom effect. After adding your effect, you're gonna hit the upper right corner of your screen, the share button, go to download, and this is important, okay? On file type, you must change from MP4 to GIF. This is very important because Google won't accept an MP4 file. So click on download. I will not cut a view so you can see the time that it actually takes to download a GIF animated on Canva. Of course, the time may change according to the hour of the day, how many people are using Canva, how busy is the Canva server, okay? So, download your picture, go back to Gmail, and click on Upload from Device. Select our GIF, here is our GIF, click on Open. Now go to Next, and as you can see, we're gonna have the zoom effect on our photo, okay? Nice, right? And all we have to do is save as profile picture. And now, if some person receive an email from us and look at our photo, they're gonna be able to see this little animation. Nice, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.